Corvette and Cadillac stashed in a garage. We have extra food, extra drinks, extra gas, generators, kind of all stuff we have anyway. Propane. We got 2 full coolers of ice from Amber's work. They were nice enough to let us use their ice machine before they closed up for the day. And now we're headed home, and we're gonna shut ourselves in because tonight is when it's really gonna start. It's pretty windy and crappy right now, and rain keeps coming overhead and stuff like that. So it's time to hunker down and wait and see what happens so we can move on from there. The cows know something's up because they never do this during the day.